Heads up, you're about to discover why AI is really terrifying and what you can do about it. Are you still trying to sell online the same old way? If yes, you're doomed, my friend. At best, you can make a few bucks here and there, but you can't compete with someone who's leveraging ChatGPT4 to do all the selling for him. Someone like me, who made $9,398.34 in the last 7 days alone, by combining two beasts worth over $40 billion to build an army. Army of AI agents that market and sell anything I want on my behalf 24/7. This army replaced my media buyer, my sales team, my virtual assistant, and even my marketing team. And if you give me just 40 seconds, I'm going to reveal everything to you and tell you exactly how I wake up every day to hundreds of dollars in pure profit. You see, selling online's not easy. It takes a lot of experience. It's not easy to convince someone over the internet to pull out his or her credit card and pay a stranger. That's why salesmen and copywriters charge a huge fee to let you use their years of skills. But what if you can automate all of that? What if you can use a trained AI agent that will literally sell anything on your behalf? It can be a physical product, a digital product, affiliate offers, or even a service. It doesn't matter. How? Easy. By using the world's first app that creates a ChatGPT4 powered marketplace and integrate it with the world's biggest social app, WhatsApp. I'm sure you know already, but in case you don't, WhatsApp is the world's biggest chatting app. It's worth over $19 billion alone. Over 2 billion users all over the world. That's a third of the planet using this app. It's growing every single day. And let me tell you this, combining both is lethal, my friend. Both ChatGPT4 and WhatsApp work in perfect harmony to turn every single visitor into a paying customer. By engaging and chatting with each one simultaneously, just like a salesman with a decade of experience. The only difference is AI is better. And if you're wondering where you're even going to get those visitors, no need to worry, because AISpark does that for you. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to pay for ads or do SEO or any of that stuff. AISpark will automatically run traffic to your marketplace and turn that traffic into sales. Again, all without any human interference. All it takes is just a few clicks, and within seconds, it'll create an AI-powered marketplace based on WhatsApp and start selling whatever you want to sell. Even if you don't have a product to sell, it'll even give you DFY offer that you can sell immediately, all on complete autopilot. With AISpark, you don't need Shopify, ClickFunnels, ManyChat, Auber, or even a hosting. AISpark does it all, and it comes with zero monthly fee. Oh, and you don't even need to run any traffic to it, because it's the only app on the market that comes with a vigorous traffic feature that'll unleash loads of traffic to your marketplace for 100% free. Yep, that's how powerful it is. Hey, my name is Saeed, and on behalf of my team and I'm happy to introduce you to AISpark, the world's first app that creates ChatGPT4 powered marketplace that leverages WhatsApp to sell anything on our behalf. Here, let me show you how easy it is to get started with AISpark. You're just 4 clicks away from creating your AI smart marketplace and sell any product in any niche with the help of AI agents. Step 1, access. Click any button below to instantly access AISpark. Step 2, create. Create your first ChatGPT4 powered store in 30 seconds or less. Step 3, WhatsApp AI agent. Unleash the AI agents that'll sell your products on your behalf. Step 4, profit. Yup, that's it. Our system works without any human interference, and it makes us money like this daily. I'm sure by now you're asking yourself, how much is this going to cost me? In simple words, AISpark is priceless. It's first-to-market app that does everything for you, leaving one job to you, profit. I can literally charge tens of thousands of dollars for it, but I make enough money from using AISpark, so I don't need to charge you that. I use it on a daily basis. So I don't see why I shouldn't give you access to it. So for a limited time only, I'm willing to give you full access to AISpark for a fraction of the price. Less than the price of a cheap dinner, which is enough for me to cover the cost of the servers running AISpark. But you have to be quick. While AISpark is impossible to saturate, our servers can only handle so many users. So sadly, I'll have to limit the number of licenses I can give. After that, I'm raising the price to $997 monthly. And trust me, that day will come very, very soon. So you better act quickly and grab your copy while you can. Listen, it's really simple. If you're sick of all the BS that's going on in the market right now, if you're worried about inflation and the prices that are going up like there's no tomorrow, AISpark is for you, period. It was designed to be the life-changing system that you've been looking for. Right now, you have the option to change your life with just a few clicks. We created this for people exactly like you, to help them finally break through. And in the unlikely event that you fail to use AISpark for any reason, we insist that you send us an email. It's simple. If you don't make money, we don't want your money. Not just that, we'll send you $200 as a gift for wasting your time. Worst case scenario, you get AISpark and don't make any money. You'll still get paid $200 for trying it out. Click the button below and get instant access to AISpark plus an exclusive bundle of bonuses worth over $10,000. I'll see you inside.